Hi, I'm Janice Otera. I'm the school psychologist here at Purchase Elementary. This is my first year here at Purchase Elementary. However, it's my sixth year as a school psychologist overall. I'm very excited to get to know all of your children and work closely with you this year and see how I can best support all of you in the 2021 to 2022 academic school year. Just a little bit about what I do as a school psychologist. I provide direct support to students, so that looks different for different students. I might go into the classroom and assist in the classroom if they're struggling. I might provide a little bit of emotional support if they're going through something at the time. Some students are a little bit more nervous and might need someone to talk to on the days that they're feeling a little bit extra anxious. I also provide interventions to students through individual and group counseling. That could be students who have it mandated on their IEP if they're classified and receive counseling service. And then there are children that aren't mandated for treatment that might come for counseling at a building level support. I consult with teachers, I consult with parents, families, and other mental health professionals to provide whatever support and resources that I can to make sure our students are having success in the classroom and outside of the classroom as best I can. I also work with school administration to support and implement school-wide practices and policies, often social emotional learning. I conduct assessments and data collection. It's really important that we know how your children learn best and use that data to support what we're doing in the classroom and make sure that through that data and through those patterns that we might see in our observations that we're setting your child up for success and we're teaching the way that they best learn. I also participate and run CSE meetings and 504 meetings for those children that are classified or have 504 plans. My goals overall as a school psychologist are to teach and promote positive behavior. We want your children to learn how to problem solve, how to use emotional regulation and coping skills. If they need to practice social skills, it's another thing that we want them to do here so that they can take these skills and carry them out throughout their lifetime. We want to create a safe and positive school culture. And as a school psychologist, I want to make sure that children are coming in and they feel they have not only a safe person to talk to, but they're in a safe space. Because if they're feeling safe and they're feeling a positive culture, then they're more likely to have that academic achievement and engagement that we all would like to see for them. So that's a little bit about me. I'm hoping to get to know more of you. If you have any questions, if you'd like to reach out, get to know me a little bit better, want to share information about your children, have any concerns about your children that you want to make sure I'm aware of, please, please, please feel free to reach out by phone or email. My phone number is 914-630-3177, and my email address is auteraj@harrisoncsd.org. Again, I really look forward to working with you all and having a great school year, and I hope to talk to some of you, if not all of you, very soon.